red bedrooms upstairs. I think when I walk upstairs, turn it off. It was great. I just want to sit down and eat.